Picture this, a single red button daring you to press it. One push could land you $100,000. But be warned, press it again, and you might find yourself waddling in mayonnaise-soaked pants, smashing rubber babies, or sorting endless M&Ms in the corner. Welcome to Mr. Beast's wildest challenge yet. A game where every press is a gamble between fortune and humiliation. Jimmy's crew, Chris, Carl, Chandler, Nolan, and Tags are all in, ready to endure whatever madness awaits, just for the chance to win $100,000 for someone they love. Jimmy grins, you press it, and something either amazing or horrifying happens. And with that, the gauntlet begins, an unpredictable, outrageous spectacle only Mr. Beast could orchestrate. First up is Chris, his fate, pants stuffed to the brim with icy mayonnaise. Chris shivers. It's so cold, it feels like I pooped myself. No sympathy from Jimmy, the show must go on. As Chris shuffles off to clean up, Tags is handed his own bizarre task. Break a 2x4 using nothing but rubber babies. No tools, just pure baby-powered destruction. Tag shakes his head. I don't know how this is legal. He swings, he slams, and against all odds, the board snaps. Victory. Meanwhile, Nolan's challenge is to flush a toilet in his hotel room. Simple but strange. Carl, with zero hesitation, steps up next.